Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Card Ladder Pro. This powerful platform is designed for serious collectors and investors in the sports card hobby. Card Ladder Pro provides comprehensive sales data and accurate value estimates for millions of cards. It aggregates information from over 14 major marketplaces, giving you a clear picture of market trends. This tool helps you make smarter investment decisions and manage your collection within your budget. Card Ladder Pro offers several essential features to enhance your collecting experience. You can track your entire collection's value with daily updates and detailed analytics, ensuring you always know your portfolio's worth. Gain access to extensive historical sales data, some going back to the year 2000, which is crucial for understanding long-term trends. Additionally, monitor graded card population reports from major companies like PSA, BGS, SGC, and CGC. Managing your collection with Card Ladder Pro is incredibly efficient. You can easily add cards to your digital collection using various methods, including scanning, manual entry, or uploading a spreadsheet. The platform allows you to customize your personal dashboard, letting you focus on specific players, card types, or market segments that matter most to you. Plus, Configure Price alerts to receive timely notifications when cards hit your desired value, helping you act quickly. Beyond basic tracking, Card Ladder Pro provides advanced analytics for deeper market understanding. Leverage tools like price stability scores and artificial intelligence to evaluate market efficiency. You can compare multiple cards side by side to identify the best buying opportunities and make informed choices. Furthermore, explore private collections of other members, offering unique insights into the broader collecting community and market trends. This comprehensive approach empowers your collecting journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.